Hey guys, welcome to today's video. We're gonna get into a wear test. We haven't done this in a hot minute and I have a new foundation from NYX. This was supposed to be in my drugstore try-on, but it did not arrive in time. This is the new NYX Make 'em Wonder. I cannot wait to get this on my face because I keep glancing at the monitor and I am giving like I belong in an Anne Rice movie. I belong in Interview with a Vampire. Like I am so pale right now, you guys. We're gonna try and figure out a good match. We're gonna wear you all freaking day long and vlog and document. You're gonna come with me through my day. But first we need to figure out what shade am I? This is Buff. I don't know if I want to exactly match. You know what I'm saying? Like I do better when it's a little bit like a little too dark instead of a little too light. You know what I'm saying? So this is the shade 9 Light Nude. No, 16 Natural Beige. I like that they put the shade right on the front. Thank you so much, NYX. Sometimes with makeup, I spend way too much time trying to figure out what are you called? You know what I'm saying? This might be good. Nope, you know what I'm gonna go with? 15 Buff. I have already primed my face with Isamaya and Tarte, my go-tos. When I'm trying new foundation, I always use what I already know works, so nothing new there. Basic everyday skincare, everything that I am wearing on my eyes, and of course my cardigan that I now have in every freaking color. Everything will be listed and linked in the description box below. Let's scooch a little closer and get into this foundation. If you are wondering if I have lip liner on, I'm gonna demystify it for you and let you know that I am already wearing Wherever Walnut. I just could not handle not having anything on my lips. It was making me look even weirder. We are going to go ahead and lightly and politely snatch the nose. And nothing has beat this. If you wanna know, I'm still using this. I probably will use this all the way through 2026, no jokes. I am so curious to take this foundation that has a serum-like texture with my ES2. This is the perfect type of formula that is buildable to use this razor thin type of a brush where we're literally just going to paint the face like we are smoothing out icing on a cake. I am really excited. This does have vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, so it is a formula that does have some skincare claims inside of it. It also claims to be transfer resistant and up to 24-hour wear. I am curious. The price tag on this is a little bit up there for a drugstore. It is $16. It is also said to be sweat resistant, waterproof. You have 45 shades. I'm impressed with that. All right, let's get wild. Oh, we are coveragey. And I know I did the swatch on me, but now that I'm painting my face, it's way more yellow than neutral. This is 15 Buff. This is said to not, per the formula, oxidize much. Why? Should I have done Natural Beige? Is that less yellow? Yeah, it's way too yellow for me. Okay, hold please, we can fix this. Better, better, more neutral. I freaking love the dry down. It's pretty immediate. It is truly a soft matte. It's so thin. It is reminding me of the Cover FX foundation drops that they discontinued a long time ago, but those were like a holy grail for me. This is exciting. This is not the perfect match for me. I am trying to cheat the system. We're gonna bronze, we're gonna take it down the neck because she needs a good self-tan. There has been no sunshine and that needs to happen. But a little bit goes a long way with this. It is very coveragey, but not heavy. And I can see why they call it a buildable because it's giving me this nice base right here, but you can see my pigmentation through it. It's still like canceling everything out and giving a nice solid amount of coverage just with one thin layer. But if I go back in, it's really going to thinly coat any area of pigmentation, what have you, and do a great job, almost getting up to a full coverage. I'm amazed. I freaking love everything so far, how this is feeling, how it's blending, the dry down, absolutely A to Z. I am loving this. I'm gonna go down the neck kind of aggressively because we're We're just gonna make it work. I need a different shade. We're gonna make it work. Get a little on the ears. That's always a good idea if you're having a day where your foundation is not matching perfectly. Go down the neck. And then we'll also take a little bronzer and help remedy. It's like not settling in my creases either. And by creases, I mean the lines on my forehead. They're very there these days, and it is a struggle. We do need to have a level of being realistic. A lot of you guys DM me and you're like, how can I find a crease-proof concealer, or what foundation will not crease? We have expressions, and if you're not totally Botoxed and your face moves, you are gonna deal with fine lines, and that's okay. What we want is for the foundation to not look cakey and crunchy and exaggerating what you already have going on. We wanna kind of soften it, but they're still gonna be there, and that is okay. All right, so this is settling. It's sitting on the skin perfectly, beautifully. It is not too tight and dry, but it doesn't feel greasy like it's gonna fall apart in 2.2, which I really love because every single serum type product that I use typically falls apart quickly and is too greasy for me. So we're gonna see how this wears throughout the day. I'm gonna finish up the face. You can see immediately that this is truly more of a satin matte finish when you compare it to the concealer that I just put on from Natasha Denona, the Hyglam concealer. Now, none of this is set with powder just yet. So I want you to notice how shiny, dewy the concealer is in comparison. If you have oily or combo skin, I think you're really, really gonna love this foundation. If you live in a humid climate, if you need something that is going to last, that doesn't fall apart, that's not too dewy, I think this is gonna be a great option, even if you have skin that leans a little more dry. And I think this is gonna be a winning formula for those of us with more mature skin. Taking Milani Cheek Kiss and spilling tea, I'm gonna warm up the perimeter of my face. I have not tried a better foundation since Givenchy, which took over 2025 for me. So this is a big moment for me. I'm gonna need to order backups. This is incredible. All right, we need some powder. We have the Wonder Snatch in Sugar Serve. I've tried cherry cake. Might be a little brightening under the eye, but we're gonna go in with the new velour puff that they have. I do really love this. The shape is excellent. Always take the excess off on your hand first. This powder, A+. I already tested this in my latest drugstore try on where I tried on literally every new launch. If you haven't watched that one, go give it a watch. This powder is competing with every top powder that I own. I know I've been like diehard on the Cardigan Black Magnet powder. This one, for some reason, looks like Huda Beauty, but even better. I don't know what they did. I don't understand. It's giving luxury. It's better than luxury. I mean, look at my skin. Ridiculous. Let's throw in a little luxury and do some Dior bronzer. And we, of course, need a little highlighter. Let's go in with some Charlotte Tilbury. I think we need a little something on the lower lash. We're gonna do a quick little setting mist. And I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Foundation has been on for about an hour. I'm gonna leave the house. I want to go on a mission to Home Goods because, and by the way, it's still, the foundation is looking A++. I love it. We're gonna go on a Home Goods adventure and make over this section of my bathroom, which needs so much help. And every time I'm in here, I'm like, oh my gosh, I need like a tray. We need some flowers. We need a couple cute little like Q-tip containers or something like that. So let's go to Home Goods. Also, who do I think I am? I swore I was not gonna do this ever again. I was like, oh, I'll never buy luxury anything again, la la la. Well, when Details by Tati launched, I saw these, we were traveling, and I was like, oh my gosh, you guys, I don't know what came over me. I was like, the butterfly, like, they're so cute, they're perfect. So I did buy these. What do we think? I'm not a person to do like unboxings. Like, that's just not my thing. I don't like to do that, but They're so cute, right? We're rocking TikTok Shop all the way. Cheap AF cardigan that I love so much with a little luxury moment. This foundation just makes you look like you have really smooth, good skin, and it feels nice. Foundation wear check in natural lighting. It's still great. I love it. And James loves it too.
James approved.
James approved. Look, I'm getting my joy back, and that's just what's happening. This is like the new, this is like 2026 energy. What is he doing?
It's you and me.
They have really good stuff right now. Like, I never see this much stuff that I want to buy. I think I'm immediately gonna get this, like for my office, right? How cute is that? Oh my God, no. Little live, laugh, love moment.
No. Burn it.
He's questioning coming with me. He really, really is. He said no to artwork.
No.
No artwork? No. I think we should also go to Target.
Oh no. We don't have to do that. How about I just do a Google search?
James does not know this, but I was not joking around about going to Target because I want to find a freaking tray. A tavertine. He thinks it's travertine. Is it tavertine? We need a tray. I have a vision and we're going to Target.
Travertine.
Shoot, is it? I usually mess up on these things.
Yeah, it's travertine.
It's travertine. A travertine. Are you sure?
Yes, it's not a tavertine. It's a travertine.
Stop it. I was talking to ChatGPT about this and he mirrored me, making me believe that I was right, reinforcing my error. Oh my God. By the way, we're going to Target. I am, there's a donkey outside going off. Hold please. Texas life, I tell you. I love this foundation. We already know that. It is way late. I need to wash my face. I just finished up dinner and watching TV and hanging out, and I was doing this business the whole time. I don't know when I will learn. I'm literally like scrolling and hanging out and sitting on the couch like this, and I'm like rubbing my mouth. Like, and so it looks a little bit weird. Don't judge that. Don't judge that. I was touching my face. We're pretty good. We're pretty good. We're pretty good. Also want to say when I was putting my hoodie on to relax at home, because I have to. Those are like the rules. It kind of did this business like right on my face where I was like, oh God, foundation wear test. But I have to say, even with touching my face and wearing this for a very, very long time today, it's pretty budge proof because I also blew my nose, which we as foundation makeup lovers know that the moment that a tissue gets near your nose and you're having allergies or whatever, it's gonna wipe all of it off. And it's like a dilemma that we really don't know how to solve other than taking a little bit more makeup on top of it, which I didn't even do. I kind of like, I don't know. This is great. I love this. I am gonna wear it again tomorrow. This held up beautifully. I felt pretty. I felt like I was wearing makeup, but not in a gross way, if you know what I mean. Everything said and done, this gets a huge thumbs up from me. One of my favorite new launches. P.S. If you have any ideas for a travertine tray, let me know because I didn't accomplish that. The bathroom accessories are looking okay, but kind of like not anything I want to super show you guys right now. So leave me in the comments below your decor ideas. That would be helpful. And other than that, you guys go and have a great day, whatever you are doing. Thanks so much for hanging out. I'm sending you lots of love and I will see you all in my next video. Mwah.